Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arjun. So friends, today my topic is if I could talk with animals. Isn't it interesting? So friends, let's start. Friends, do you know who is Dr. Dolittle? Yes, I am talking about world famous Dr. Dolittle, who learns to talk to animals and becomes their champion around the world. Friends, when I read the story, instantly a fantasy came to my mind that what if I could have the power of Dr. Dolittle? What if I could talk with animals? Wow, how fantastic! So many beautiful things I would learn from their way of life. Friends, all we know that animals are very clever and divine creatures on this Mother Earth. Every animal has a unique life value. For an example, the lion, who is an epitome of bravery. If I could talk to lion, I will learn how to be courageous, bold and aggressive all the time. Similarly, I will ask the secret of being strong and yet be graceful from the big elephant. The quality of living in the movement and making most of it is exclusive in playful monkeys. I will certainly discover this excellence if I could talk to them. Friends, have you ever noticed a spider's web? Yes, it is incredibly fragile and yet so strong. Spiders know what they are capable of spinning. They get started and believe in their natural ability. I will request these tiny creatures to explain me how to be focused and to work diligently on our life dream until it becomes reality. Likewise, busy ants will also teach me the necessity of planning and always looking ahead in life. Whales will teach me traveling to new places, which will improve the level of my creativity with positive thoughts. Magnificent horse will also impart the attitude of being always stand tall and proud character. Friends, charming snakes, gentle goats, reliable roosters, hardworking donkeys, focused cheetahs, all these friends will unconditionally share their good qualities to me for the welfare of the entire human being. All good things I will learn from animals, but in return, what would they expect from me? From me as a human, the most superior and the intelligent animal of the earth. Nothing. They would learn nothing from me. Friends, believe me, instead of learning, animals would be praying for help. They would beg us to be more respectful towards environment, to stop intruding on the space, to stop illegal wildlife trade, baiting and hunting. They would plead us to stop using plastics, to stop horse racing, poaching rhinos and elephants for the horns and ivory. They would request us not to let them go extinct. They would ask why there are still testing in laboratories on mice, rats, cats and dogs. Friends, all we should accept that human-led activity like industrial and residential development, mining, road and dam building and pesticides use have taken an extreme toll on threatened and endangered wildlife populations at an alarming rate. Friends, unfortunately, the habitats of large number of Earth's plant and animal species are under threat due to the impact of human beings on the planet. Habitat loss is contributing to the permanent loss of species, the weakening of ecosystems, and is impacting on both the overall health of the planet and the quality of human life. I believe animals should be respected as citizens of this earth. They should have the right to their own freedom, their own families, and their own life. We must fight against the spirit of unconscious cruelty with which we treat the animals. So friends, if I could talk to animals, I will become the ambassador of animals in order to help them, represent them and protect them from all the adversities. Friends, this was my view on this thought. Please comment your opinion on this and like and share this video among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.